Aber scheinbar hat's funktioniert.
A maid'll arrive
Und
very
Mr.
soon,
Brian,
and she
der
won't be
sitzt
able
nimmer
to
noch
get
voll.
into the cellar. The main thing is that she'll have the keys. I won't disturb him when he's doing so well. I won't disturb them. Brian's doing well.
Aber, bin ich da draußen. Du, warte mal. Speide mal. Zur Sicherheit. Kennen wir die? Schauen wir mal nach. Vielleicht hat sie was da. Aha.
Poor girl. She won't move that door alone. Luckily, I'm around.
You have no business to be in here.
Excuse me, miss. I heard you need a new stable boy. I'm here to apply.
No, I don't know anything about it. Who told you that?
I work in stables nearby, and I met your young master. He said a pair of skilled hands would be helpful.
Probably more than a pair, but the master doesn't want any new servants.
Then what do you advise? I don't want to intrude, but I'm sure I'd love this place.
Jetzt steigt einfach in den fremden Garten rein und quatscht die Folge.
Best thing you can do is to leave. Don't get angry, but today there's plenty of robbers.
You're right. But it's a pity. At least because of you.
Und Fräulein, was hat wir Problem?
Are you alright? You seem to be crying.
That's none of your business. Go away.
I was just asking. I wonder if I should try to calm her down. I've overdone it with the wine.
Was möchte er geben, mein Wein? Mit der besoffen machen?
Are you alright?
That's none of your...
I wonder if I... They sent her to bring more wine, so she must have the keys with her.
Der Wein. Wir schauen aus.
I'm a mere
Braucht ein bisschen
stable boy.
Glück.
When I see a sad girl, I immediately wonder how to cheer her up. What would you say to a lucky horseshoe? It brings better days. Just take it and you'll see, it works.
Are you serious? I don't believe in those old yarns.
You're making a mistake. A lucky horseshoe can change your life entirely. Hide it under your bed and you'll see.
Well, thank you, but it won't solve my problem anyway.
Poor desperate thing. She definitely won't refuse a stranger's helping hand now.
Und Babe, ich schauen aus, überzeugt.
Tell me, why are you crying?
I am not crying, but I'm supposed to bring wine to the old master. Yet the lock is seized up or something, and I will be chided.
Can't he get it himself?
No, he can't. He stays in his bed all the time because he's seriously ill.
Oh, I see. And there's no other entrance to the cellar?
No, there isn't. Or maybe there is, but I don't know where.
Huh? How come?
Well, it's said that there is a secret staircase between the master's workroom and the cellar. Allegedly, it's there so our master could stay unseen by the lady when he goes down for a wine. He's really fond of drinking, but the doctor set him a strict limit, 1 glass a day.
Oh, that's interesting. So you don't know where exactly it is?
No, I don't. And I can't go upstairs anyway, even if I knew it.
Such a trivial matter isn't worth the upset. Show me the key and I'll help you.
I'm not sure. I don't know you.
What do you mean? I'm your new stable boy, am I not?
You're a joker. Here you are. Take them, but quickly so that nobody sees you.
So, ich würde mal sagen, die hohe Frau des Hauses, die säuft gern. Zur späten Stunde.
I can't do that even if I wanted to.
Also, warte mal, der Korken. Haben wir gleich. Geht das? Mit dem Messer? Auch nicht. Oh, Scheiße.
I can't do that even if I wanted to.
Jetzt hol ich da diesen Korken eingestopft, ich krieg ihn raus.
The wax is too hard. I'd break it before I'd manage to make a good imprint.
Das Wachs ist zu hart und dann?
The only thing she could do for me is to go away. And she won't do me such a favour.
Du, so, Chefin.
I'm sorry, miss.
Mag mich schnell entschuldigen?
I have to bring some tools, otherwise I won't be able to open it.
Well, you didn't comfort me, but I want the key back.
I understand, but don't worry. I'll be back in a minute. Damn, I had to give her the keys back. She's not as stupid as I thought.
Aber den Key muss ich wieder abgeben. Aha.
I won't disturb him when he's doing.
Er beschäftigt. Was tue ich jetzt? Oder möchtest du wieder zurück zum Stuhl? Vielleicht gibt es ja was Neues zum Finden. Ich meine, da ist eine Lampe. Da bei der Dicker. Das ist neu. Timothy, huttig. Sprint ein bisschen.
What's this? Does Brian have a hole in his pocket or what?
Aha, wie praktisch.
Wax would melt, that's true. But then it could spill out into my trousers, and I really don't want that.
Ja gut, ich mache ich drüben. Sonst noch was? Nein. Bedeutet, jetzt springe ich schon das dritte Mal über die Mauer. Voll selbstverständlich kann das auch aufgehen. Wenn du dreimal am helllichten Nogon einbrichst. Okay, Babe, bin zurück. Pack den Key aus.
I'm back. Did you try it again?
Yes, but I can't move it.
It doesn't matter. Give me the key, I'll try. If there's no other way, brute force might solve it.
Oh, that would be very nice of you. Nobody else would help me.
So, den Key habe ich wieder.
Wax would melt. That...
Also, mach
What
da
are
den Key,
you doing with
was?
those keys? I only wanted to open the door.
Now I'll heat them a bit. It helps to clean the filth, you know.
No, I don't know. Just don't damage anything.
Don't be afraid. I've done this before.
I'm surprised. I've never heard of anything like that.
For me, it's just an everyday routine. The door will be opened in a minute. Ouch! I didn't think it out. The keys are still hot.
Der Red Hot Key. Drück ihn ein, du.
What are you doing with those keys? I only wanted to open the door.
Don't worry, young lady. I'll just oil them and it'll go much easier. You're really lucky I'm here.
I'm not so sure.
Don't worry, it's almost done, I promise.
All right, but please hurry up or I'll have problems.
I'm glad I imprinted both keys. One never knows what might happen.
So, jetzt habe ich scheinbar von diesem Schlüssel einen Abdruck.
I can't do that even if...
Oh, den Korken, den krieg ich trotzdem nicht raus.
Even if I wanted to. I leave it till the evening.
Also, Chef, die sagt uns, ich hau ab.
I'm done here. Now I'll deliver the imprint to Brian, so he can make himself useful as well.
Brian, wie schaut's aus? Bitte
So,
fertig.
have a nice day. I'll drop by tomorrow. Hopefully, there will be a job for me.
All right, but I can't promise anything. Our master won't accept just anybody.
It wasn't a bad start. I wonder how long this good luck is going to last.
Brian, so warte. Er liegt schon wieder hinten, die faule Sau. Aber Brian, schau mal. Ich hab einen Abdruck. Braucht er den? Nein.
Here it is, my pal, our ticket to paradise.
Let me see.
Jetzt meine Hodern.
Hey, wasn't that my candle?
No, but we need a locksmith. The kind who doesn't ask any questions.
I know about one, if he's not in jail.
Could he make a duplicate?
Sure.
So go and ask him. I've done enough already.
Very well, I admit that. But I won't lift a finger for you at night.
Just don't do anything stupid and everything will be okay. And go now, otherwise you won't make it.
Jesus, you're worse than my mother.
How do you know? You've never met her.
Damn, you're right.
As soon as he gets up, I'll catch a quick nap. I think this will be a pretty wild night. When I'm staring at the ceiling, not able to fall asleep, I wonder whether it was such a good idea to flee to Plymouth. Maybe I'm just kidding myself about America. I guess it's the same mess there as it is here. But if I don't get there, or at least try to, I'll regret it for the rest of my life. I simply have to do it, no matter who I have to rob. Those fat cats on Paradise Street were robbing others so they could live like pigs in clover. Now they'll be the ones robbed instead. The time has come.
What are you waiting for? Let's go. Or are you too scared?
No, not at all. Well, maybe just a bit apprehensive.
Okay, I'll go first, then you chicken.
Soll ich dir mal sagen, dass wir neu marschieren? Und Brian hinterher.
Are you waiting for something, Brian?
I can't open the damned gate. These keys are good for nothing.
Yeah, 'cause those aren't the gate keys, you dimwit.
Damn, I'm wasting my time here.
Let's climb over the wall.
I'll take another way. We'll see who gets there first.
Okay. Let's meet at the back door.
Brian, geh weg, wir brechen ein. Und ihr, lauft davor, oder was? Und das Lamperl? Mit die ausblasen.
It's okay. Not a soul in here. It can keep on shining.
Gut, lass mal scheinen. Hen fort bei mir, über die Mauer. Inzwischen hat er Übung drin, wie er drüber kommt. Ja, schon erinnert sich.
Be quiet. He could wake up.
Who?
The servant. He fell asleep on the terrace. Watch out. He has a gun.
That's not possible.
Trust me. He has a gun. We have to go through the main entrance.
We can't. We only have the cellar key and the terrace door key.
That's too bad. Do you have a plan?
We can go through the cellar.
What are you talking about? The vault is in the workroom.
Yeah, the maid said there's a secret passage.
But we don't have time to search the cellar now.
Oh, come on, pal. Can you imagine how much booze there is? If we don't find the passage, at least we can have a merry night. Then think what we could get up to after that.
All right, you've convinced me. It's been a long time since I had a good wine.
Just don't break anything. Give me the keys.
So, den Key hab ich. Wo passt der jetzt? Da drum. Ja gut, da geh ich nicht. Wo du noch was?
I'm not going to chat with him now.
Ja gut, ist mir recht. Demi, obi da. Der passt schon. Hast unten dritte Sei.
I wonder which idiot blocked the lock up with the cork.
Und? Passt wieder nicht? Oh Gott.
This is a good joke. At first I blocked the door with the cork and now I've got to get it out.
Ja Mann, war der eigentlich der Witz, den ich gesehen hat.
Hey, Tim. What the hell are you doing?
Let me be. I'll be there in a minute.
Shake a leg, for God's sake.
Brian, halt die Schnauze.
Done. The cork is out.
The cork is out. Aber jetzt passt er.
Hey, Tim. How long will it take? You're even slower than my granny.
It's done. Let's go in.
Wait. I'm going first.
Hey, ist das der Schnapskeller? Sehr gut.
It's pretty dark in here.
So where do we start?
I can't see anything. I told you this is stupid.
So light the candle. We need light or we'll never find the passage.
But won't the light be visible through the windows?
It doesn't matter. We can cover them.
Someone could come.
Then we'll smash his face in and tie him up.
What if he calls the police?
We'll escape through the sewers.
They'll shoot at us.
Then we'll shoot back.
But we don't have any guns.
We'll steal some. And before you ask, we'll take some gold as well to buy the boat tickets. Do you want to know anything else?
Just to make it clear, I am the brains behind this operation.
Yeah, right. Of course.
Find a piece of junk and do something with the windows. Without light, we're lost.
Now you're talking.
So, pass auf. Mich erinnert an Lichtturm. Aber scheinbar muss ich irgendwelche Fenster verhängen. Hängt da ein Fenster? Das Ding da? Ich glaube, der fällt bestimmt nicht auf, wenn ich mit der Kette rumleicht. Und was tue ich jetzt? Ausgehe.